Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you our tri-headed microscope demonstrated at the prestigious AIIMS hospital in New Delhi. As you can see, in this microscope we use 0 to 30 degree tilting head. In this model you can see there is one trinocular head and two binocular heads placed on the left side. Particularly, this model is on-site upgradable to pentahead and decahead as well. The main head in this is tiltable ergonomic head with the eyepieces 10x with 22 mm field of view. There is one dual color LED pointer placed in between the microscope head and the main body, which offers two colors, which is red and green. Next we have in this 6 triple nose piece, and the objectives we offer in this is 2x, 4x, 10x, 20x, 40x and 100x. Next we have ceramic mechanical stage with X and Y movement and the coaxial coarse and fine motion. In this model we have used 15-watt LED light with cochlear illumination. Our tri-headed microscope is making a significant impact in medical education. It allows for seamless collaboration between doctors, trainees, and researchers, fostering an environment of shared knowledge and expertise.